welcome in my channel. So let's practice yoga 5 minutes together. Warm up, standing with the Samasthiti. Inhale, raise your hands up. Hands down. Okay, right leg back as you feel comfortable. Inhale, right? Both hands up. Exhale, swing to the right. Touch your leg, come back up. Inhale, หายใจเข้า หายใจออก We just go down few times only. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Remember, your pelvic will be go side, not go behind. Hands up. Okay, switch your leg. The other side. Inhale. Side. Sawadee krap. Namaste. Practice yoga, everyone. Let's move your hands up and down. Inhale, exhale. Just try your best, because when we practice warm up, we need to move our joints properly. Very nice. Slowly down. Okay, switch your leg again. Behind heel is up. Inhale, both hands up. Knee down. Slowly drop your knee down to the floor. Come up. Inhale. Hands down. Raise your hands up again. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly hands down. Raise your hands up again. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Switch your leg. The other side. Yes, behind heels up. Keep your behind heel up. Raise your both hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Move up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 to 5 times is fine. Slowly down. Okay. Now raise your both hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. Try to touch the floor or catch the toes, head down. Lengthen your spine. Okay, very nice, everyone. Slowly come back to the center. Warm up enough your body. So move your pelvic. Just a little bit can change your life. ทำทุกวันนะครับ You can practice every day just like this. Can make your warm up your blood circulation, can bring the oxygen level in your body. It's very good for your stomach, for your hip joints, for your back pain also can help. Okay, next, keep your hands together on your shoulder. หายใจเข้า inhale, hands up, exhale down. Make a big circle. Keep oxygen. Take a deep inhale and a long exhale. Reverse. Yeah, this can help you for office syndrome. This can help you for better health. About office syndrome, about shoulder pain. Yes, many things can help. Very nice. So every day we can practice yoga just like this. Can make your body healthy and it's very effortless. Just few minutes. Give your time to your body, to your life, to your mind. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, please feel free to give me a comment and feel free to share this video with your friends. So it will give me motivation and give you good karma as well. So have a good day and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye everyone.